Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, October 3rd, and this is my analysis for the US dollar yen, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. So, on the US dollar yen, I think that there is the end of a pullback on the daily. I think this is the end of a wave Z of a big WXYXZ pattern on the daily time frame. If that's true, then this whole move down could be a wave one of a brand new downtrend. This move up that we're currently in could be like a wave two. Now, today is non-farm payroll, and that is a big news event. So if we do get like a nice Fibonacci bounce, a nice engulfing move to the downside, I definitely would take it as a sort potentially for a wave three. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, we got our Fibonacci retracement on this whole move down. I would definitely be looking at this move up as a possible pullback. Now, a lot of times at the news, you do get these big volatility spikes, these big turns, and then it just, does like a spike reversal and then just keeps on going back in the direction we thought. So you may be correct about the market going down, but if you enter before the news, it could go up, spike you out, and then go down in the direction that you originally thought anyways. But like I said, I am looking at this as a wave one and looking at this as possibly a wave two. So definitely pay attention to your Fibonacci retracement levels for a possible reversal to the downside. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.